Top 5 Salesforce Integrations. You need to know Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platform, and integrating it with other tools can enhance its functionality and streamline business processes. Here are 5 key Salesforce integrations that you should consider. 1. Salesforce and Microsoft Outlook, Office 365 integration. Purpose: integrating Salesforce with Microsoft Outlook or Office 365 enables seamless communication and collaboration between your CRM and email system. Benefits: users can track emails, synchronize contacts and calendars, and access Salesforce data directly within their Outlook or Office 365 interface. This integration enhances productivity by eliminating the need to switch between applications. 2. Salesforce and Google Apps integration. Purpose: Google Apps integration brings together Salesforce CRM and Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, providing a unified platform for communication and collaboration. Benefits: users can access, edit, and save Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides directly from Salesforce. Integration with Gmail allows for email tracking, and Google Calendar events can be synchronized with Salesforce, providing a cohesive environment for managing customer interactions. 3. Salesforce and HubSpot integration. Purpose: integrating Salesforce with HubSpot, a popular inbound marketing and sales platform, helps align marketing and sales efforts and ensures a smooth transfer of leads between the two systems. Benefits: marketers can track leads and customer interactions in HubSpot, and this information seamlessly syncs with Salesforce, allowing the sales team to pick up where marketing left off. It streamlines lead management and helps create a more cohesive customer journey. 4. Salesforce and Slack integration. Purpose: integrating Salesforce with Slack, a team collaboration platform, enhances real-time communication and collaboration among sales and support teams. Benefits: Salesforce records and updates can be shared in Slack channels, enabling teams to stay informed without switching between applications. This integration fosters collaboration, improves communication, and ensures that critical updates are easily accessible to the entire team. 5. Salesforce and Zapier integration. Purpose: Zapier is a tool that allows you to connect Salesforce with thousands of other apps without the need for extensive coding. Benefits: with Zapier, you can automate workflows between Salesforce and various third-party apps. For example, you can automatically create tasks in Salesforce when a form is submitted on your website, or update customer records when new information is added in another application. This integration provides flexibility and scalability in connecting Salesforce with a wide range of tools. When implementing integrations, it's important to consider your specific business needs and processes to ensure that the chosen integrations align with your goals and enhance overall efficiency. Additionally, always check for the latest updates and compatibility requirements for the integrations you choose.